it's like a thing where they're.
Excuse me. Go ahead.
I feel like whenever you're coughing there, you're like saying it's BS or something.
No, go ahead.
I sense a lot of sarcasm, and like I think it's really immature.
I swear it's not. I swear it's not. It's a legitimate cough. But
I think when I watch this video, I hope it's not that, because that's really immature of you to do that, because I'm out here like speaking the truth, and if you're like trying to turn it into a joke, like I could easily have done this and turned this whole thing into a joke.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares. Know your fucking place. Trash.